I fold my heart like a letter I'll never send. Read it alone, then I start again. I rehearse love in a silent room, but freeze when it's real and you step too soon. I've been living in a place between yes and no. Every dream feels close, but I move too slow. If I reach for you, will the truth show through? Or will I ruin the best thing I never knew? I don't trust the light when it finds my face. I'm scared of the love I don't think I deserve to take. I don't wanna be lonely, but I don't know how to be close. I'm scared if you hold me, you'll feel what I hate the most. I want you to know me while I'm learning to be me. I'm breaking the silence slowly and choosing to believe in me. I'm learning how to let love stay. I'm learning not to run away. I measure my worth in the gaps I see, all the things I was almost brave enough to be. I chase perfection just to feel safe, then blame my fear when I hesitate. I hear your voice and my chest goes tight, like love is a test I failed tonight.